What's up YouTube? It's your girl Kai and I'm back with a video. So according to the title, we're going to be making some food. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. This is my first time making this lasagna roll up. It's called buffalo chicken lasagna roll up. I'm excited. I think it's going to taste good. Never made lasagna not a day in my life, but I just feel like it's going to taste good. Maybe because it's got buffalo in it, you know what I mean. But yeah, so today I will be Chef Kai. So y'all want to see how this lasagna turns out. I'm going to do a side of Caesar salad with it too. But if y'all want to see how lasagna turned out, keep watching. Alright, first thing you do is wash them hands, girl. Or boy, whatever, whoever wash them. Make sure you wash your hands because that's nasty. I'll be back once I'm done washing my hands. Alright, so first I got my chicken. As y'all see, I got it in a bowl. I'm about to put it in a bowl with a couple of seasons, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. So those are the 3 seasons you do. You can do like a, and I do chicken bulgogi.
Okay.
I don't know the name of it, but this is what it looked like. It'll focus. And you put that in there too as well. So I do 3 cubes of this, and then my onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. So I'll be back once that get done. Alright, y'all see that my chicken is boiling with my seasons I explained earlier. So I'm gonna let that cook until they're done. So I'm gonna have 6 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and I'm gonna mash that together with a spoon so that that'll be my paste on my lasagna. Watch. Alright, so my chicken is finally done. I'm gonna take 2 forks. I put them in this bowl. I'm gonna take 2 forks and shred it up and add a half a cup of buffalo sauce. So here we go. Alright y'all, so now since we have the buffalo chicken done, as you saw, I'm on to making my Alfredo sauce. So what I'm gonna do is put a whole thing of butter in here, a stick of butter and some minced garlic, and stir that up. Now I'm gonna add some heavy creamer and all that good stuff in there, and y'all gonna see when it's done. So I'll be back. Alright, so I got the Alfredo sauce done, and I also went on ahead and got my noodles done, so I'll show y'all those two Just give me 1 second. So Alfredo sauce right there. And now we're about to put the lasagna noodles on here. I gotta pat them dry and put my buffalo chicken in my little sauce that holds the chicken, and put in my Alfredo sauce at the bottom of the pan. And that is it. So y'all see, that is it. So y'all see the rest during this time lapse, and then hopefully I can get this done in a minute. Better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. Period. Alright, y'all, so I got it done. Now I have to bake it and then add the extra stuff to it at the end. So I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. So this is what it's looking like. Looks pretty good once I put it in the oven and get the cheese melted. And then put the parsley on top. Bon appetit. But yeah, so I'll be back when it's done. This is the final touch. So I got my Caesar salad with my buffalo chicken lasagna rolls. And yep, so that's all I'm gonna eat for dinner. I don't have anything else to say. I'll come back and tell y'all how it tastes, and then that'll be the end of the video.
2 days later.
So I definitely didn't get to record after my buffalo chicken lasagna roll up, but I do want to get on the camera and tell y'all it was a 10 out of 10. I ate it the next day. So typically I don't eat leftovers, but me eating the next day, that means it was delicious, and it was even better on the next day. But I do recommend y'all go home and make this. It was delicious. I will be making it again. But thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember, put God first and everything else should be added unto you. I love y'all so much, and peace out.